How to upload horizontal video on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload horizontal video on Instagram. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your Instagram app. Now that you're here, you need to tap on plus icon located on the bottom of your screen. From here, you need to go ahead and select the horizontal video that you want to upload. As you can see, this video is horizontal, so simply go ahead and tap on next. Once you do that, you can see the blue arrow located in the top right. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, as you can see that your video has black bars above and below in the video, but this bars won't be visible once the video is posted. Now, you can simply go ahead and add your captions over here, and once you are done, you need to simply tap on share. Now, as you can see that you have successfully posted horizontal video on your Instagram. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.